and think and speak and spell.
Need some distraction.
Could you bring it down just a notch? I'm feeling assaulted. Sarah McLachlan often does that to me. But tonight I wanted to come here to get real with you. Do you mind if I get real with you? If I just bring it down just a couple notches. I want to talk about that night in November. You know, we get nervous laughs. We get a little uncomfortable hearing those words, that night in November. I'll never forget it. I'll never forget where I was. Blacking out at a pizza schmizza. I started pouring my rum into my champagne. It wasn't a good choice. I'll never forget crying over that champagne, or knocking it over, or passing out holding onto that cat, just clutching onto that cat for dear life. It seems like the whole world's changed since that night, you know? We don't know how it got like this. We didn't think this could actually happen, that it could go this far, you know? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Thank you. I walk down the street, I see my friends, I see my family. It's a big street. And you stop and you look at them and you wonder, are you really the same person that I thought you were, you know? How could you help let this happen? It's like walking down the street and just looking at body snatchers everywhere. I'll never forget that night. The night my microwave broke. I've never bought a microwave. I don't know where one buys a microwave. A microwave isn't something you buy, it's just something you find, you know? You're just walking down the street, there's a microwave right there. Great, I'll take you in, call you my own, clean you up, polish you up real nice. I was so proud of myself, you know? Finally, a microwave to call my own. And I was just 3 minutes and 50 seconds away from greatness. Now it's gone. And it's never coming back. Where does one even get a microwave? Where do you procure a microwave? Walmart? I don't know what that is. Fred Meyer? Do they deliver same day through Prime? Amazon? I don't have a credit card. I'm not allowed in banks. So I guess, if nothing else, my lesson to share with all of you tonight was Madonna here? I see Kabbalah string.
You missed her. Just by 2 minutes.
Hold on to that microwave. Hold on to that Hot Pocket, that lean cuisine, that hungry man, that nasty woman, and never let go. Never let go. And remember, if we all work together, we can be just 3 minutes and 50 seconds from greatness. Thank you, everybody.